Did you know billionaires are borrowing money even when they don't need it? While you're afraid of taking loans, they're using debt to get richer. Sounds crazy, right? Today, we'll uncover why the rich love loans and how you might be missing out. Most people are raised to fear debt. We hear things like, never borrow money, or loans are bad. And for some loans, like credit card debt, that's true. But what if I told you there are good loans that can actually make you rich? Rich people don't take loans out of desperation. They take loans for leverage. They borrow at low interest and invest in assets like real estate or businesses that generate higher returns. This way, they keep their own money safe and working for them. Example, Jeff Bezos sells no Amazon stock. Instead, he borrows against it. Here's the trick. Loan money isn't taxed. If a billionaire sells shares, they pay capital gains tax. But if they borrow against their assets, no tax is triggered. That's how the rich legally avoid taxes, while still spending big. You don't have to be a millionaire to use this mindset. Instead of fearing all debt, learn how to use it. A loan to start a business, invest in a course, or buy cash-flowing property can change your life, if done smartly. But remember, never borrow to impress. Borrow to grow. Poor people avoid loans. Rich people use them wisely. It's not about how much money you have, it's how you use it. Next time you think about loans, ask, is this helping me grow? If yes, maybe it's time to stop running from them. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe, because this is Regret to Rise.